Hi guys, so for this week's video, we had to go to a beach that we live around and take some pictures and do some evaluating on the beaches. For this assignment, I chose Duck Lake, which connects to Lake Michigan. Here I just have a picture because she asked for a picture of us where we went. For those of you who aren't familiar with Duck Lake, this is a picture I just got off the internet. This is what Duck Lake looks like. Here's Lake Michigan, and then here's Duck Lake, and then over here's actually like a bridge that you can swim under, and it'll take you into Duck Lake. So I took a video of the lake that I chose, so for those of you who aren't familiar with, you can see what it actually looks like. So yeah, that was my video of Duck Lake. So these aren't pictures that I took today. Those are on further slides. These ones are actually that I found on the internet. As you can tell, that lake is very high right now. I think it's due to all the rain that we've gotten in the last like few weeks or whatever. But this is how it used to be. Like when I was a kid, I used to come here and go swimming. These are offshore bars right here. This is like basically like a man-made almost little sandbar, and when it rains, after people have been washing it out by themselves, it has created a sandbar, and this is what it looks like with no kids playing in it. And then there's that bridge that I was talking about back here. These are pictures that I took from today. The berms are formed from the disposition of material by wave, and this happens from high tides. So actually down here they put rocks because it was actually coming up onto the road, and so it used to be berms, and now they filled it in with rocks to stop them high tides from getting up there. As you can tell, you can still see some of the sand and where like trees have fallen over. And then the scarp is steep slope separating flat or gently sloping areas on the seafloor or on the beach. So here you can see the big cliff or whatever where like the water meets, and then it's like gets really high in sand. So it's quite the drop right there. I don't know if picture does it justice, but you can definitely see the different depth right there, and that protects the water from getting up here. And then like if houses were to be up here, because there's many houses on Duck Lake, this stops the water from flooding their yards. So yeah, that was my video on Duck Lake. I hope you guys enjoyed it.